Hello NR programmers. In this video, we're going to push our code to GitHub.
Audio Jungle. Audio.
So to go ahead and push our code to GitHub, all we need to do, we're going to go ahead and open up our terminal. Right now, I have a simple project set up called GitHub demo. In there, I have an index.html file and an index.js file. So whenever you're working with GitHub, the three commands you're going to use a lot is git add, git commit, git push, git add, git commit, git push. You're going to use those commands so much when you're doing your web development career that, it's going to feel like you're in a cult or something. But yeah, to go ahead and push our repo to GitHub, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate over to github.com. And over here, we have this little button here that says new to create a new repository. If it's not showing up on the left-hand side for you here for some reason, all you have to do is come over to the right-hand side and click your repositories over on the little navigation bar. Once that comes up, there's a little button right there, click new. And now we're gonna go ahead and create our repo. We're gonna call this one GitHub demo. And that's pretty much all we need. We're gonna leave this as public and we're not gonna check any of these boxes right now. Click create repository. All right, and now we have our repository created online on GitHub. Now all we need to do is run some commands to push our code to this GitHub. So since this is our first time using this repository, first we need to initialize it with our project. So I'm going to copy this command here, come here, paste it, git init. Next we're going to add git add space period. And you need a space period in there, and that's to go ahead and add everything that's in that current directory right now. So we do git add, next we do git commit -m, and then we pass in a message. So I guess we could say first commit for our first message. And now we need to go ahead and add our remote origin. So we're going to come over here, we're going to copy this command here, git remote add origin. Come back to our terminal, paste it in. And now we have our origin set, and now we can just go ahead and do git push origin master, press enter. Cool. So now if we close this out, come back to our GitHub, refresh our page, there's our code. Cool. Yep, so if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Keyword subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.